Zoe, and this is my little brother Zane. Hello! Oh, Bobby, putting the Christmas tree up.
Right, so we're going to be putting the Christmas tree. Just wait. We'll be putting the Christmas tree up today, and I've got these two little helpers.
Me and Zane.
So I have two helpers here today, Zoe and Zane, and they're going to help me put up the Christmas tree. Yay! Okay, now let's get to it.
I'm not really gonna be putting up the Christmas tree.
You don't need to put your hand. It's not like it's to hear it. Okay, alright, let's put the carpet on.
Oh, the cat.
Or whether we should put this one last.
No, we should put it first.
Oh no, but this skirt is supposed to cover the leg of the Christmas tree. So that means we need to put the leg first, and then we'll put this one to cover it. You can see it, so that the ugly leg of the Christmas tree is not showing. Don't you know? Right, so this is the base of the tree.
The ugly base of the tree.
So I'll put that there, and then I'll put. Which one is the biggest one?
No battles! No battles in video!
Then, yeah, so we come and start opening up the tree like this. So you open it up.
Darn! Oh, so this is like the belly of the tree.
Easy. Then careful there, please.
This
Just
is
leave
the
that one.
bottom
When
of
it's
the
time,
tree.
put that one.
The bottom of the tree.
Yeah.
The big bottom.
But we have to open up this tree first. That's the most important thing. There is not to drink this after. We don't drink it now. Because you don't. One hand will not be enough to do this.
Drink it now.
Then pass it down. Drink it then. Then wait.
Zane has to do the bottom one because he's not tall enough. For the big, and I'm not tall enough. That is a ton.
Just reach the one that is within your reach now. Why do you need to come up?
What is this? Come here.
Brown.
Hey, wait. Let's take this. What is this for?
Who removed it now? No, don't play with it. It's not a step. I need to find where it came from. When you're putting, don't pull it so that it doesn't fall.
You can only reach that. I can only reach.
Don't worry about the side you can reach. Just focus on the side you can reach, okay, please? So myself and my daughter just carried on opening up the tree because the tree gets folded in when it gets taken down. So it has to be opened up for the beauty to show. And then we started putting the ornaments, the balls. And this is where my son started helping out in. And my other son just was scattering everywhere. But yeah, that's the final result.
We have 10 ribbons on the tree.
So we finished setting up the Christmas tree thanks to Zane and to Zoe. And we're going to turn the lights on now.
Now.
Just wait.
Let me to turn off this one.
Wait, let me just finish connecting.
Yeah, but we're gonna do as mommy do that. Alright. We also need. Jimmy doesn't want to watch the TV. Now do it. Show you.
Okay.
Yes. Good job. Did you just wake up from your nap?
No, I've been working.
Oh. So you didn't have a nap.
I did have a nap, but it was short. Because these ones are crying and these ones are... And Zane was wanting to sleep.
Okay.
Okay, this looks good.
Mommy, Daddy, just can't I?
I can see. I've seen the good work people have done.
I like that. Yeah, I'll put this. That's how I
It's not his best Christmas.
I just put it there. Since there are 3 socks, that is for Zimi.
Mommy, this one is taking up almost all the light. Be the powerful lighting.
Okay, so we finished setting up everything here.
Yeah,
So this is just part 1
Yeah, part one.
because we're going to be running the lights.
Yeah, this is part 2. This one is part 2. That was the table. And then we did the tree. So this
No,
is
don't
part
hit, please.
Part 2 is part 2. And then we have to do part 3.
Okay, let's wrap up the video. Go on, stay there so you can.
Bye, guys.
No, we can't just say bye-bye.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Oh, stand by the tree now. Wait. Right, hope you enjoyed setting up our Christmas tree and lights with us. And we're going to be doing a part 2.
No, part 3. Part 3 of hanging the lights.
What's the part 1 and what's part 2? Zen, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Just leave him.
Part
Leave him.
1 is making the table. Part 2.
Oh no, the table is different. It's for MAD collection for that campaign.
Oh.
It's for the house. And so we're going to be staying here.
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for setting up our tree with us. Hopefully you like the video. Like
And subscribe.
see you next
And
time.
see you next time.
And I'm not sure why Zibide is crying, but
TikTok.
bye.
Bye, TikTok house. Twinkle,
Twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, so high. Zane, you don't know the song. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you